Humanoid robots are rising. And they're not just taking factory jobs, warehouse jobs, or restaurant jobs. They're now stepping into online work, jobs once believed to be safe behind a computer screen. This is the new era, where robots don't only move like humans, they think, type, design, analyze, and work like humans. Across the world, companies are quietly replacing human labor with AI-powered humanoid robots, robots that don't sleep, don't get tired, and can learn new skills in minutes. In warehouses, robots carry, sort, and pack. In factories, they assemble products with perfect precision, but now something bigger has started. Humanoid robots are being connected to powerful AI models. This means they can manage spreadsheets, handle online customer support, do data entry, manage inventory systems, even design prototypes. Imagine a robot sitting at a desk, doing office work faster than any employee, and never making a mistake. Tesla's Optimus can now understand environments, track tasks, and learn patterns by watching humans. Figure 01 can recognize tools, complete workflows, and communicate with AI software. Agility's Digit is being tested by corporations as a real replacement for human logistics workers. Unitree's H1, fast, agile, and unbelievably smart, can perform both physical and digital tasks when connected to cloud AI. These companies aren't trying to help human workers, they're trying to replace them. Why? Because every robot is an employee that never needs a salary. No breaks, no sick days, no training costs, no errors. Just pure, continuous output. For the first time in history, a robot can clock into a physical job and log in to an online job. A single machine can manage emails, analyze data, design 3D models, and then walk out into the real world and perform tasks too dangerous or too repetitive for humans. Restaurants will be run by robots, offices will be filled with robot workers. Factories will operate almost entirely without humans, and companies already know it. They're building the future right now. Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. They are learning faster than expected, evolving faster than predicted, and replacing humans faster than governments can react. The real question isn't, will robots take our jobs? We've already passed that point. The real question is, how fast will humans become optional?